If you're looking for a high quality, ultra light mesh kit, then you're in the right place. Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring this Sea to Summit Delta Light Solo Mesh Kit. Full transparency, I purchased this with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. Now, I also want to let you know that I misplaced the mug to this set a long time ago, so I don't have it. But what's included is going to be your bowl that also doubles up as a high wall plate. You get your cutlery set, knife, spoon, and fork on a carabiner, and you also will get the mug with the kit as well. The cutlery will fit down inside of the bowl. Everything fits neatly into the stuff sack here. It weighs next to nothing, super rigid. Like you can put a heavy meal in this here without having to worry about it, the bowl collapsing on you, and just will designed to last a long time. So if you guys are looking for an ultra light solo mesh kit, I highly recommend this Sea to Summit Delta Light here. I hope this helps.